Hi everyone, and happy September. This is the first day of September, which means that we have a winner to announce for last month's contest that we had running. And it was a really exciting one. It ran for the entire month of August, and it was for a free $50 seed shopping spree with me and going through and shopping through our app and picking out a whole bunch of seeds and also a biodome. So that way you can pick out some seeds for your biodome. So it's super exciting, and I'm going to announce that winner today. The winner of last month's contest is Wendy Lovelady. So Wendy, all you need to do is email me at info@seedtospoon.net, and we will set up a time where we can go shopping and we can help you pick out some seeds to fill up that biodome of yours, and it should be super fun, and I look forward to hearing from you. And for everyone else, we are going to be hosting another giveaway this September, so make sure you stay tuned for the details of that and what the contest is for. It'll be another great one.